If you're experiencing login failures in FIFA 24, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and regain access to your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming console or PC can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your console's game library or through the game launcher on your PC. Installing updates can fix bugs that may be causing login issues. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Test your connection by trying to access other online services or games. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the device and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache of the game client like Origin or EA Desktop to help resolve login issues. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.